Good morning, all of you. I am Razia Patel from Grand Manji Vidyapeeth, Standard 4th. So, students, today we will start unit number 7. In that unit, worksheet number 6 will start word problems on addition and subtractions of money. So, in that unit, already will completed that example. Now, we'll start question number first. Solve the following problems in your notebook. So in that, question number first is Preeti brought a dress for rupees 1526 and a pair of shoes is 672. How much did Preeti pay in all? That we have to find it. So here we have to do addition. So let's start that. Here we have to write unit number 7, worksheet number 6, standard 4. Question number 1, word problems. So students, we have to follow the step. First one, A1 sum. In that, step 1, numbers and keywords there. Rupees 1526, 1526 for dress, for dress. Rupees 672 for shoes, for shoes. Step number second, ask. They are asking how much did Preeti pay in all? How much did Preeti pay in all? Step 3, draw. We have to draw here two boxes. In that we have to write rupees 1526 and rupees 672. Step 4, operation is there. So here we have to do addition. We'll use addition operation. Step 5, we have to do solution. So here we have to write rupees 1526 plus rupees 672. Here we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. 1526 plus 672. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 2, 8 and 9. Here we have to write 9. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer, we have to write the answer. How much did Preeti pay in all? So here we have to write rupees 2198. Rupees 2198. Preeti pay in all. Now look at these 4 steps everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. After that we'll start. I'll show you step number 5. First you have to complete this. Okay, students. Now look at this last steps. I hope so, students, your writing work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Second one sum. Second one sum is Vikram wanted to buy a fridge that cost rupees 16,895 and sofa set for cost rupees 8,972. How much money did he need to buy both to them? यहाँ पे word is, which word is there? Both to them. That means here we have to do addition. What we have to do? Addition. So let's start that. Given sum, we have to follow the step. Step number 1, we have to find numbers and keywords. So numbers is rupees 16,895, a sofa, 16,895 for fridge and rupees 8,972 for sofa set. Step number 2, ask. What they are asking to us? They are asking how much money does he need to buy both of them. Step number 3, draw. We have to draw 2 boxes. We have to write here rupees 16,895 and rupees 8,972. Step 4, operation. Here we have to do addition. Step number 5, solution is there. So here we have to write rupees 16,895 plus rupees 8,972. Here we have to write 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. 68,895 plus 8,972. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 7, 9 on your mind, 7 on your finger. 9, then 11, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have to write 6. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 on your mind, 8 on your finger. 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. We have to write 5 here. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. So here we have to write answer. Rupees 25,867 he need to by both of them. Both of them. This is the answer. Now look at these 4 steps, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now look at these steps. Step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Third one sum. Ravi had a rupees 1,15,000 with him. He spent rupees 18,365 on his new bike. How much money is Ravi left with now? Now, what was the question? Ravi had rupees 1,15,000 with him. रवि के पास टोटल 1,15,000 थे, ठीक है. He spent rupees 18,365 on ही न्यू बाइक. न्यू बाइक लेने के लिए उसने कितना खर्च कर दिया? 18,365 उसने खर्च कर दिया, ठीक है. हाउ मच मनी इज रवि लेफ्ट विथ नाउ? रवि के पास अभी कितना अमाउंट बचा है? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड इट हियर. सो हियर वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स. C1 sum. Step number 1, we have to find numbers and keywords. So in that, rupees 1,15,000 with Ravi, rupees 18,365 for his new bike. Now, step number 2, ask. What they are asking how much money does he need to buy? How much money is Ravi left with नाउ, लेफ्ट विथ नाउ। रवि के पास अभी कितना अमाउंट बचा है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर। नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3 of draw. Step number 3 is a draw. Here we have to draw two boxes. Rupees 1,15,000, rupees 18,365. Step number 4, operation. Here we have to do subtraction. We use subtraction operation here. Step number 5, solution is there. So here we have to write 1,15,000 minus rupees 18,365. Now we have to write here lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. 1,15,000 minus 18,365. 18,365. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we'll cut here 5, write here 4, cut 0, write here 9, cut 0, write here 9, cut 0, write here 9, cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 0, cut 1, write here 0. Cut 4, write here 14. 14 minus 8, 14 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. So answer is 69,635. Ravi had, here we have to write answer. Ravi had rupees 69,635 with left with him. Now look at these sums, everyone. First, look at this step 1 to 4 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you a 1 minute you have to complete your work. I hope so, students, your work is complete now. Look at this step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. I hope so, students, your work is complete. Now what was your homework is, students, you have to complete the worksheet number 6 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock से पहले आप लोगों को ये वर्कशीट है वो सबमिट करवानी है इन अ WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is done. Bye everyone, have a nice day. You have to complete the worksheet number 6, unit number 7 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Bye everyone, have a nice day.